Hi there, students. To squander, a verb. I guess you could even have the person, a squanderer. Okay, to squander is to waste money, to spend money on silly things, or to use our valuable resources in a wasteful way. Yeah, or you could squander an opportunity. Yeah, to waste an opportunity by not using it to your advantage. So he squandered all of his savings on a 2-week holiday. Well, maybe he needed it, but squandering money's not a good thing. My team squandered several opportunities in the match, and eventually, because of that, they lost the game. Yeah, so to squander, you squander money, you squander resources or something valuable, and you only have a limited amount of it, or squander an opportunity. Governments are always squandering taxpayers' money. Yeah, so to waste large amounts of money or other resources. Yeah, the state has squandered so much money on this project. They need to stop. Yeah, so to squander, to spend extravagantly or foolishly, to dissipate, to waste. Yeah, or to lose an opportunity through negligence or inaction. He squandered his opportunity. Yeah, opportunity only knocks once, so don't squander it. Yeah, to fiddle away, to blow, to misspend. Okay, so to squander, to spend wastefully or extravagantly, or to fail to take advantage of. He squandered an opportunity to go to university, while others went to university and then squandered their time going to parties instead of actually studying. So, yeah, to squander, extravagant prodigal spending, to be profligate, yeah, to blow money, to blow resources. To fritter away, to be, profligacy, to be profligate, to spend in profusion. Yeah, so don't squander your inheritance. He squandered a fortune on gambling. Well, maybe that's an illness. Okay, so to squander, to lavish money or resources on something. To splurge, that's a good verb. Yeah, to spend lavishly and profusely, but wastefully, in a wasteful way. Yeah, and this is the idea of to squander. Notice to squander is a regular verb. He squandered a fortune. He has squandered several opportunities. So don't squander your opportunities. And then for formality, this is a 5 in formality. You can use it just about anywhere. Yeah, to squander your time, to squander your money, to squander the resources. Yeah, we are squandering the resources of this planet, and we really need to stop. Yeah, so to squander. Yeah, not a good thing. Ah, yes. What about origin as well? Well, maybe it's a mixture of the verb to scatter and the verb to wander, squander, maybe. And then there are several Scandinavian words that are somewhat similar. For example, Danish skvat, to splash, or Icelandic skvetta, to squirt, or Swedish skvatta, to splash. Maybe these are related as well. Notice as well, to squander implies you have a large quantity of resources to start with, and then you start wasting them, using them to little purpose or little effect. Yeah, you don't normally squander when you don't really have very many resources. Well, I guess you could squander what little you have. It's probably possible. Okay, so squander. Don't squander your opportunities. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Squander.